Hello everyone, welcome to IEMLabs. I am Soumyathu and today I am going to tell you the difference between var, let and const in JavaScript. So let's get started. So first, let's have a look at the difference between these two and then I will move back to the practical. So first, what is var? So var is basically declared with var keyword and it has global scope. That basically means that if you declare in var anywhere in your code, then you can assign it anywhere in your code. Let that basically means it is basically a function scope, or you can say that is a block scope. It cannot be assigned outside the block. Okay, cool. And const is that its value, once you assign a value to const, its value can never be changed. Cool. So that's the basic difference between var, let and const. Now let's do some practical on these three. So first I will open this folder in my favorite VS code editor. So it is here. It is VS Code. I will provide the link in the description for downloading VS Code. So here index.html. Sorry, my bad. Index.html. Cool. So here JS practice. Now I'm going to connect my JavaScript file to this. Cool. src equals to dot slash script.js. Now I'm going to create script.js file. So here it is. Now I am going to tell you the difference between var, let and const by showing some example. So first one is var. So var is basically global scope. That basically means if I take a for loop and var I equals to 0, I less than 10. Okay, let's take for I plus plus. Now I'm going to console log variable I. Cool. Now if I am going to console log variable I here, then also it will print the variable I. And if I so let's say this in live code, live editor, live server, open with live server, open console. Now as you can see, here it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Here it will print 3. After that, in line number 7, as you can see, the hello I got printed here. Cool. So if I run same code in let by taking the let keyword, and I'm going to commenting this line of code, you can see reference error I is not defined. That basically means the I variable cannot be used outside this block scope. Cool. Now let's talk about the const variable. Now I'm going to comment this out. Cool. Now const, let's take a variable const pi and its value 3.14. Cool. Now if I am going to console log pi, you can see the 3.14 got printed. But if I am going to change the value of pi, you can see that here it says invalid assignment to const pi. That basically means you cannot update the variable pi, which which is defined, which is declared in const keyword. Cool. Now, if I do like this, const 5, and after that, if I assign value to this 5 variable, here you can see it also says the error missing in constant declared. So that means when you declare a variable in with the help of const, then you also have to assign the value to it. That's why it shows error. Cool. So that's the basic difference between var, const, and let. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video.